Today's featured car is a 1932 Ford Highboy. This one looks to be orange. I filmed this one back in 2022 at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And can't tell what engine it has because it had the cover on it. Had a lot of chrome touches done to it. Good looking car. Not sure if it's all steel or fiberglass. It's hard to tell. There's a lot of new ones that are out, new bodies and frames these days. But this one was definitely an eye catcher. I filmed about a half a dozen of these over the last couple of years that were in part of my lost footage. And I just found the video footage that I had of them. So I'm going to be putting them out here in the next couple of days, showing the different ones. But these are always subjective. There's a lot of things that you can do to them, and it's all for personal taste. But I thought it was a good looking one. I figured somebody else would too. Anyway, that's today's featured car, a 1932 Ford Highboy that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, back in 2022. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.